Apple Glasses leaks. Please subscribe to get updates of latest tech news. Apple Glass is coming 2023 at the earliest, according to a report from Bloomberg. An Apple VR headset, positioned to compete with the Oculus Rift 2, is closer to launch. In addition to Apple Glass, the company is working on a VR headset that could be less complex and closer to launch. The Apple VR headset reportedly features ultra-high-resolution screens and a cinematic speaker system that should enable realistic visual experiences, according to people who have seen prototypes. According to Prosser, the Apple Glasses are currently priced at $499 plus prescription fees. Now that may seem low, especially compared to competing augmented reality headsets like the Microsoft HoloLens 2. Apple Glass prototype reportedly looks like an unintimidating pair of plastic glasses, while marketing materials suggest a Clark Kent-esque design. It has a LiDAR scanner on the right temple, but no other cameras for privacy reasons. The glasses also come with a plastic stand with wireless chargers. Being an accessory to the iPhone will definitely has implications on the Apple Glass design. Though the glasses won't be lightweight as your Ray-Ban Aviators, they could be light enough and comfortable enough to work as everyday glasses. There are no plans for the first generation of Apple Glass to come in a tinted variety. For the near future, you are stuck using your regular Olay sun blockers. But if Apple Glass takes off, perhaps the company would consider expanding its offerings. Apple Glass might also have a modular trick up its sleeve. The rumored pair of mixed reality glasses could feature swappable arms that each supply a distinct purpose or carry out a different function. Displays expert Ross Young tweeted that he has heard from multiple sources that Apple is pursuing AR/VR glasses using Sony mic rules. 0.5 1280x960 resolution, 1H22 intro. There is no known specs about the Apple Glass yet, but we can speculate it will at least have the same field of view, 52 degrees, and resolution of 47 ppi as the HoloLens 2. A heads-up display that shows 2D floating notifications or maps. Apple Glasses to connect directly to the iPhone on a dedicated Wi-Fi connection. If the iPhone has to process all the video captured by the glasses cameras and send back the 3D imagery to the glasses at a very high frame per second rate, a bare minimum of 60 Hz, with a 120 Hz refresh being optimal, it will require a much higher bandwidth than what Bluetooth can provide. As for battery life, we can also expect a minimum of 3 hours. Apple provides with some kind of wireless charging glasses case that can extend its operative time through the day like with the Apple AirPods.